What's up, everybody? In my other video, I missed something too when it comes to taking out the pinch bolt, clamp bolt for the lower control arm ball joint stud. You guys will see the other video. Like, share, subscribe, check everything out, man. I got a bunch of videos out there and more to come. I'm so busy I can't even keep up. But getting this clamp bolt out, you know, get your nut back on if it's not coming out easy. You know, bang it a bit, just a bit. You know, I don't hammer the shit out of certain stuff. Sometimes you have to, but you can get in here with a what do you call it, Phillips screwdriver. See that? I'm sure you guys can see it easy enough. Again, use this type of bolt. Don't use aftermarket. Don't use aftermarket on this thing, man. Not on this guy. Not on this style. So anyway, I'll show, and to show you how fast this goes back together. It's gonna be as quick, as fast as I can do it, step by step. I'm gonna show you though. Once you get the strut tower nuts loose and the strut tower fasteners, no matter what year, make, or model your car is, loosen those strut towers. Again, I got the freaking axle nut tight, just for proof purposes. Watch this. Again. See that? Look how loose that came off. See that? Now watch how easy it goes back on. No prying, no banging. Get your grease protector for your rotor straight on this model, because this one doesn't have a backing plate. So this has a grease protector. It's not a shim. It's a grease protector. So there. I'm almost there. Let's see. It's all real time again, folks. No trickery. Make sure I don't pinch something up. Almost there. Let's see how easy this is with the strut tower nuts loose. Nope. Yeah, not always super easy. Went easier the last time, but make sure your grease protector's straight. There we go. Now I say how easy it is. It's gonna fight me a bit. There we go. Okay, I got that grease protector where I want it. There we go. See? And then it goes right in. Real time. Real time, folks. You guys can see it. Make sure. I don't know how many minutes we're at, but you can see it. We're in real time. All right. Get this guy back in. I'm putting this guy back in. I'm not going to torque. I'm not worried about torquing it today because I'm going to have it apart in a few weeks again. Tapping it in with my screwdriver. Binding up a bit, just shake it a bit. Look. Tapping. There it goes. Yeah, see, we're there. We're there. This guy. All right, where's my, okay, I got my, I'm going to use this guy, or no, let me do like so. T50 ratchet. Where's my 15? Oh yeah, 15 mil. Yep. You can do this with all hand tools though. Oh, I'm on loosen on this side. All right. It's 35 foot-pounds. That's good. I'm going to leave it at that, because I'm going to have it apart again. You don't need super tight because that bolt is what holds that stud in there. This guy your tie rod. Let me move more so you can see better now. How's that? It's all real time, folks. Real time, no trickery. No fancy editing, no tricks.